Yo guys, I hope you're all doing well today. I hope you've had a good week. I told you guys we'd be changing up the scenes a little bit. It's not just going to be reviews on this channel. But first, let me just hop in the car because it looks like it's just about to rain in the UK. Anyway, today I'm gonna make one of those challenge videos. I've been requested to do, like 24 hours in my Toyota Aygo. How many miles can you do on one tank of fuel, etc. But I thought I'd start off easy and then ease it in because I have no idea how this video is gonna pan out. It's not scripted at all. So the challenge today is to film as many automotive related TikToks as possible. I hope it doesn't come out cringy, but I was brainstorming last night and I've got a couple of video ideas that I'm going to try dish out all in one day. So 6 video ideas, here it goes. First one is going to be how to clean exhaust tips. I feel like these videos just always pop off. And then my car's a little bit dirty today, so might do another TikTok on top of that, a little touchless car wash. And then the features on TikTok, car features, they always pop off as well. So I'm gonna do 3 cool features in the Honda Civic, and then the 4th video might bang as well. Tell me you drive a Honda without telling me you drive a Honda. That will bang, trust me. And then the 5th idea, I've got access to a Range Rover, so might do cool features on that car as well. And then because that car's a diesel, 2 birds, 1 stone here. I'm gonna do one of those, the funny memes where, you've got a diesel car but you want a loud car, and then this guy makes a funny voiceover. But trust me, you'll understand when I do it. But it all works out today. So yeah, boys, let's hit the road. Are we recording? We are recording. And I feel like I owe you guys an update as to what's actually happening with the channel. So when I actually first got this car, it was I thought I was gonna mod it. I was gonna whack an exhaust intake, tune it by K-Tuner using the Ferrable tune, but when I started reading through some of the online forums, can't even speak, the online forums, it was quite common that the CVT belt doesn't work well under a lot of load. So that kind of just put me off modifying this car, especially getting like an exhaust, intakes, even just putting a slight bit of load on it. It's just completely put me off. So hopefully my next car, it's gonna be a proper build. Honestly, I can't wait for my next car. This car, I think I'm just gonna keep it stock. I'm just gonna stick with the car reviews that I'm doing, because it's working well on the channel, and just leave this car stock for the next owner to enjoy, whoever that may be. But no, I've got loads of things planned for the future of this channel. I've got a load of reviews to do. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they all go well and I could dish them all out. And I'll be going to Santa Pod in May. A car that I did review, it was the Seat Leon. I'll be doing some runs against him, so hopefully that goes well. And maybe a Mercedes CLA, another review that I did. I'll just pop it on the screen right now. And then if Corona decides to go away in, I would say, August time, hopefully, or September, I'll be going to Germany. I'll be having a Germany trip, taking the Honda. Let me know if people want to see the Toyota Aygo on. Actually, no, it'll probably be sold by then. Never mind. Yeah, I will be selling the Toyota Aygo in May, actually. So look out for that if you want to buy that car.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Awesome, thank you. I can't wait for that. Can't wait to actually track this car. and shred the tyres, because I do need a new set of tyres. And I thought, you know, why not take it to Germany, finish them off in a good way. There's no point getting, I was going to decide to get some PS4s on this car, but there's literally no point. This car has less than 200 brake. There's literally no point. And tracking back a little bit, in June actually, I've got this video idea. I've named it the Top Gear Project, but it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Trust me, when that video comes out, boys, honestly, hopefully it does come out anyway. You'll know if it doesn't come out. But I mean, I'm also thinking of doing a group drive if anyone wants to do that. I'm based in the Cheshire area, so if anyone wants to meet up and, you know, we'll go for a drive, then I'm up for that. If you guys are, that'd be pretty sick. Get a couple of the lads. I mean, 4 or 5 cars is enough. I'd say 4 minimum, but if anyone wants to join or do a group drive, then I'm more than happy to. There's not much Honda Civic owners, 10th gen owners in the UK that have done much content on this car.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Thanks for distracting me. There's not much 10th gen owners in the UK that are modifying their cars at the moment. Even Civic owners, Civic Type R owners, FK8 owners, put it that way. Oh my god, Corsa. Jesus, he's riced out, mate. Riced out. Absolutely riced out. Oh, another Corsa. They're all about. Alright, we're at the car wash. We're at the car wash, boys. That's an old gent there. He was like, what an absolute pillock. What an absolute. Got a GoPro mounted to my head. Right, we're at the car wash. Oh, got it. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. It's rammed. Rammed to the top. Just pulled up to the car wash, and the tools you're going to need for the first video are a brush and a little microfiber towel. A little washing mitt. Another little brush. And then last one is a alloy wheel cleaner. Right, let's crack on.
Sound right, boys.
Right, boys, let's see how these videos turned out. Let's give them an edit and publish them on TikTok. Right, so the first one was the exhaust tip cleaning, whatever it is. Let's edit that. Let's see how on earth I'm gonna edit this. It might be a pain in the arse, but let's see. I might have to do a voiceover on this one actually. And then we did another one where my car was a touchless car wash, you know, at the petrol stations. I didn't use the proper spiky brush. I just hovered it over the paint and then let the foam squirt. Well, let's see how these actually turn out. Let me edit the first one first, and then we'll move on to the second one. Right, so I decided to scrap the idea of trying to film after every single TikTok I made. So I've made 4 additional TikToks since the last clip. And since this video is already 9 minutes long, I don't want to waste your guys' time anymore. So if you want to see the end results of all these 6 awful TikToks, just head over to my TikTok and give them a watch. I mean, I highly doubt I'll be ever uploaded onto that app ever again, but nonetheless I've given you guys a little update on the channel, so that's come out to plan, even though this video is absolutely the worst video video I've made this year. Anyway, back to normal next week, back to the reviews, and I'll see you soon.